ES350 2023. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. These cars do come with a factory alarm, but the only problem is that they don't have any type of impact sensor, so you can bust out the windows, bust out the lug nut locks, leave the car in 4 bricks, break all the windows, and nothing happens. Unless you open the door, the hood, or the trunk. Nobody's going to do that. They're going to break your window or bust out your sunroof and go right through it. So by adding the shock sensor, you're upgrading the factory alarm like if it was an aftermarket alarm. And what we're trying to do is for you to avoid have to carry an extra remote control. So if somebody bangs on the window, it's going to set off the alarm. Unlock will turn it off. Rearm it. It works on both sides. Anybody out of state, no problem. If you want to get the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm to not wake up in the morning, have a busted window, or have your car in 4 bricks, and you slept right through it because the horn never went off, give us a call. We do have the kits that we can sell to you. It already come prepped up, and you'll get the installation video, so you'll be able to do their own install. If it makes you feel better, we never had anybody who wasn't able to complete an installation. We got great tech support, and it's a full wire hookup, and we film exactly on the vehicle, so you really don't have to know anything but just follow the video and mirror what we did and hook up 4 wires the same way we did, which is very easy. But anyway, give us a call, and we can sell you the kit. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. If you're in Miami, Homestead, or Fort Lauderdale, give us a call, and we do come out and we do the installation. So you can get this done as soon as possible. I'm going to go ahead and bang on this side. It's going to fire off the factory alarm. And I'm going to rearm it. And then we're going to get ready to bang on this tire, and that will set off the factory alarm. This is a 23 ES350 Lexus. Okay, super nice car. They do go after these cars a lot. Honda Accords, the Honda Civic, pickup trucks, the Camaro, Challenger, the Charger, Chevy pickup trucks, any pickup truck really. They bust out the window looking for guns or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this tire. That will set off the alarm. Okay, and that's pretty much it. The alarm, if the factory alarm fires off, a lot of people ask us this question, and you're not there to shut it off, don't worry. It's gonna ring for 2.5 minutes and it'll reset, so it's not gonna be ringing all week while you're gone. Okay, so this is the shock sensor add-on to this Lexus. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.